Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a newly married couple, a groom and a bride. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw the groom. I start with his face, then I draw his two eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. I continue with his two ears and his hair. Then I'm going to draw his body. He wears a tie, a shirt, and a very elegant suit. I draw his arms and his hands. Then I draw the detail of his suit. I continue with his legs and his shoes like this. Next to him, I draw his beautiful wife. I start with her face, then I draw her pretty eyes, her nose, and her smiling mouth. Now I draw her very long hair. I continue with her body. She is wearing a necklace with a heart pendant. Then I take out her arm. She is holding the groom's arm in her other hand. I draw a pretty bouquet of flowers. Yes, they are roses. Then I draw the rest of the wedding dress. How beautiful! Finally, let's draw some hearts around them. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the groom's skin with cream. Then I used light red for his mouth. Then I used this brown marker for his hair. Black for the suit. For the bride's skin, I'm going to use the same cream marker. Her dress is going to stay white. I color her mouth light red. Then I'll color her hair medium brown. Yellow. I color her bouquet of roses light red and mauve. Finally, I color the hearts that surround them with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.